The N8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner delivers strong suction with 2 cleaning modes, making it effective on hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, and scattered pet debris. Its removable battery offers up to 40 minutes of operation in the lower setting, which is usually enough to cover an average home without needing a recharge break. A multi-stage sealed filtration system with cyclone separation helps trap very fine dust and dander, so the exhaust air feels noticeably cleaner after use. The main unit is very light in the hand, and the included combination tools and detachable tube make it easy to switch between floor cleaning and handheld spot cleaning. A self-supporting design and optional wall mount give you flexible storage so you can park the vacuum mid-task or keep it tucked neatly out of the way. The upgraded motorized floor head, with its V-shaped brush and bright front lights, does a good job reducing hair tangles and exposing dirt hiding along edges and under furniture.